Good morning, everybody. My name is Jake Rowley. I am a student of Organizational Leadership and Communication class hosted by Dr. Grant. The reason for this video is this is a oral presentation of the project, which the communication project, which was assigned to me here several weeks back. Just to give you a little background of my history, I'm the engineering manager for Honeywell Safety Products in Franklin, Pennsylvania. We build customized products. We have some 2,000 different part numbers, which we manufacture and design. All our products are safety products, which are used as fall protection. To give you an idea about that, we basically design products for people that work in high or confined spaces for the oil, gas, wind, energy type of business markets. Items we design are harnesses, lanyards, anchors or anchorage connectors, which people would tie off to, confined space rescue systems, along with a variety of other products. Because we're a customized product manufacturer and we have so many different manufacturing methods and processes, one of our market niches is we offer not only standard products, but we offer special customized products to customers. We've done this for 10 years or so. It is a significant part of our business. And with that, we've faced a host of challenges over the course of the life cycle of this process with delivery, manufacturability, and understanding, navigating, communicating, all facets of this process. So when the project was assigned to me to find a good niche or project that I could improve in communication, I spoke with my supervisor about this, and we both agreed wholeheartedly that the EPM process would need some severe makeover. The EPM process, EPM stands for engineered product modifications. Simply technical term, but it's just customized products. So when I started looking into this, I had some history on it. My boss had a lot of history on it, and we communicated about that. I also had some friends that also worked in that process, which shared a wealth of information with me about it. Communication issues had led this process to delayed manufacturability. We were late on customer orders, which would really irritate the customer. We would realize we had product and design issues way far into the design life cycle process, in which we would realize we can't manufacture it, and we'd have to approach the customer, so this led to poor business, poor professionalism, frustration, and has quite honestly led to a lot of employee turnover in this project, in this process. So what I wanted to look at was areas that I could improve communication to make these situations better. I couldn't do that without understanding the process in full, completely together. With that, I discussed with my boss, and we both agreed that a solid bulletproof flow diagram to understand the process was needed, with the proper communication checks installed in it. So with that, I designed, worked with the folks there, an improved flow diagram process, which I'm about to show you. And because this is on a YouTube video off of my iPhone, and this is installed on my computer. You're not going to be able to see it in the best light, but I'll discuss it with you here. So with this flow diagram, what you see is our modes of communication were image and writing. We used different signs, which were color. We used arrows and shapes. We had a toolbar at the bottom right to discuss what everything meant. This flow diagram is very detailed, very technical, and the user would probably struggle with it without some training and understanding. Once we laid this out, we could quickly realize certain areas which we had struggles with. In those, I used also bolden text and colors to highlight those areas of important communication or needed important communication. This is actually a 2-page document. So after that, after the development of this, I knew that this had to be installed in some sort of training. We have absolutely no training on the EPM process to date. Everyone that's involved in the process currently agrees that training is needed to assist new users and seasoned users in the navigation of this process. We have people that have been involved in this process for several years that still do not understand or do not use the tools correctly, and that causes a lot of heartache down the line, and again affects those processes. So with that, I had also agreed to develop a training guide to allow the user to navigate the EPM process. Again, I'll show you this. It's not going to look clear, but this is basically a PowerPoint presentation, which is my media for using to develop this. Installed in it is the flow diagram with an explanation. And basically what I discuss in it are the fundamentals of EPMs. There are 2 types of EPMs. The participants that are in the EPM process, their roles and responsibilities of that process. The flow diagram, I go over all the features, the necessity of the flow diagram, the reason for EPM delays, and how to alleviate those delays in there. There's a robust process on the last couple slides that describe how to make the EPM process most efficient, and this whole PowerPoint presentation accentuates to the seasoned user or the new learner the need to understand the EPM process in full before being able to navigate it. From here, I'm going to take this tool, I'm going to take the flow diagram, meet with my supervisor, and if agreed upon, we will roll this out in the next couple weeks via a couple teleconferencing meetings where I will review this with the team, go over all facets of this presentation, explain and make sure that everyone's on the same page, and then moving forward, we will use this as a tool going forward, along with a possible written manual as well to allow the user to retain a copy and better understand the EPM process. If they have questions, of course, I'll be there to answer those. With that, I appreciate everyone that has taken the time to listen to this presentation, and I wish you a good week. Thank you.